Hi kids, hope you all are well. What we are going to learn today in art lesson? We are going to learn about symmetrical design. So, these are the designs we are going to learn how we can make it easily. What is symmetry? When we learn any word or when we hear any word, we are going to think about that first, that what is symmetry. So what is the best idea to brainstorm your mind? Close your eyes first and then think about the word symmetry for 2 minutes. So you are going to write down in any notebook whatever comes to your mind when you think about this word symmetry. Okay, I'm going to tell you the meaning of symmetry for me. Symmetry is a design approach that makes opposite sides of something the same. Like you can see in this design, all sides are same and they are opposite to each other. If you are going to rotate this design, from every side you are going to find it same. And symmetry doesn't mean that we are going to create the similar drawing or the similar design on all opposite sides. We are going to remember that we are going to do the symmetry with the colors as well. Like you can see that I have filled all the shades in orange color and all the same similar shapes in one red color. The background is filled with yellow color. So remember these basic steps for doing the symmetrical design. In this image, in this design, you can see that I have filled green color on both opposite sides and the blue color in the opposite sides. So what you are going to do, you are going to follow the steps, these steps to make the design with me for making the symmetrical design, and then I am hoping that you all are going to make it very easily. When you are creating the symmetrical design, you are going to keep it in your mind that you are going to create the balance in the image. Even if you are making a web, you are going to create the balance and the harmony, because these are the two identical things in the symmetrical design. And in symmetrical design, all children always remember that we are using elements of art also. These all designs are consist of lines, shapes, forms, colors, and you can see that there is some texture also. When we are creating the color, we are somehow creating some textures as well. So we are using elements of art as well. So whenever you are going to do the drawing, you are going to focus on elements of art also, so that you can keep memorizing all these things. And I am hoping you all are going to share your work with me. I am going to give you my email ID in the description. So I am hoping that when you are going to try such designs, such drawings, so you are going to share your work with me, and I will try to give you feedback as well. And we are going to continue many new techniques, tips and techniques step by step, so that it can make your life easier and you can enjoy your art classes. Now we'll start our work for today's assignment. Hey kids, we are starting making the symmetrical design. For making a symmetrical design, what you need: A4 size paper, scissor, scale, pencil, sharpener, eraser and color pencils and sketch pens. Always remember that when you are selecting the pencil for the drawing, prefer to use 2B pencils, because 2B pencils are good for drawing. These are soft pencils and you can easily find 2B pencils from any stationery shop. So we are starting making the symmetrical design. What we need to do, we need to make our paper in the square shape. So how we can make it in the square shape? Even without using the scale, we can make it. First we are going to fold our paper. We have to fold it from the After making a triangle shape, what we are going to do, we are going to cut the excess paper with the help of scissor. After cutting the extra paper, we are having a square shape. What we are going to do now, we are going to fold it from the center. We'll fold it perfectly into equal half. Then we are going to fold it again into equal half. Now we are having, in our paper, we are having 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are having 4 equal size boxes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What we are going to do in start, we are going to design first box first. For making the correct design, we can make a rough graph with the help of a scale. Like we can make the dots here after 1 inch. We have created the dots on this guideline, or we can call it the center line also, every after 1 inch. Hope these are clear. So what we are going to do, we are going to start making a design, or if we wish to, we can make on our corners also, so that when we are going to have these markings, after making these guidelines, the drawing or the design will be more perfect, as we already discussed that the symmetry means same. So the symmetrical design from every corner must be the same, and for making it and creating the accuracy in it, we need to have the correct markings on our paper. So this is going to be our first draft of. Now we have successfully created the draft, and we have made the dots on at the corner of our page and in the center guideline. Now what we are going to do, we are going to design the first block. Suppose this is our first block, so we are going to design it first. We can draw the lines in this block by touching any 2 lines of this block. Suppose I am making a line over here, and then I am going to join these 2 boxes. I can make a line over here also, or what I can do, I can make a wavy line as well. So what are we going to do? We are designing our first block, and then we can create a semicircle or a half circle. So for making the symmetrical design, what we need to do, we need to make a square paper, and then we are going to divide it into 4 equal half. Then we are going to design one part of this square by touching any 2 sides of this box. So I have make a line here, and then I have make a line over here at this corner, center, and then in the center I have created a wavy line. What exactly we have to do it? We have to do the mirror repeat on this, on the other side, or we can call it that we are going to flip it vertically. So we'll keep the paper, and then we are going to flip this line here. Then we are going to flip this line over here, we have flipped this line over here, and then we are going to make this wavy line. Now we are going to create this wavy line over here. So we have created these lines over here. What we are going to do now, we have completely plot this pattern over here, and we have to do the mirror repeat on this both shapes in the both boxes. Now what we are going to do, we are going to keep our paper over here, and we'll flip it on the other side. Now I would like to tell you, and I would like to give you one tip, as we have plotted all the lines here, and if you are facing difficulty to draw the exact wavy line, so what we are going to do, we are going to trace it, and then what you can do, when you are going to trace it, you are going to get the marks on the other side. And then you can easily trace these marks which we created. The same we can do for this circle, or we can make it with the help of compass. Now you can see that we do have a symmetrical design, and we can see the symmetry on every corner and every side of this drawing. And now what we are going to do, we are going to do the coloring. We can use any color pencils. I am using Faber-Castell pencils over here in this design. I selected these 5 colors for my design. What I am going to do, first I am going to fill the color. Remember what we are going to do, we are going to do the symmetry in the colors as well. Means all the shapes are going to be filled with the same colors. Children, always remember, when you are using color pencils, please don't be in a hurry. What you are going to do, first of all, you are going to make the outline of your shape. Any shape you want to color with any color pencils, please make an outline to fill the You can see that I have made the outline for this entire shape, because I am going to fill this pink color over here. So I want it to be over here, because we have to create the symmetry with the color as well. And we are going to do slowly. You can say up and down also, so that you are not going to be in a hurry. Now I am filling this yellow color over here. When I am filling yellow color over here, I am going to fill the same color here itself also, and I will rub this guideline. I am going to use the blue color in this shape, and here as well I am going to repeat on the other side. I have used this light green or parrot green color on these sides. I have added the circles over here because I don't want this whole area to be like a blank area. I have filled all these circles with yellow color. Now I am going to fill the blue color in these parts. As I want to fill the blue color over here, so first I have made the outline so that it doesn't go inside to the other color, and then now I am going to fill the blue color in the remaining area. So kids must follow these steps so that you can make a nice design and your color doesn't overlap here and there. If the color is going to be overlapped with other color, then your design is not going to look nicer. As we have filled the color blue on both sides, so what we are going to do, we are going to do the same with green color. We have used green color on both sides. So what we are going to do, we are going to use this pink color to complete our design. Again we are going to make the outline, and then we are going to fill color over here. Now what I am going to do, I am going to fill the light blue color in the remaining parts, and again we are going to keep the symmetry in our mind. Now the design is ready. You can create any design using the same technique.